Over the next 2 weeks, I'm going to post 6 short sports star assemblies for you guys to watch at home, and we will also be watching that at school. In those assemblies, there will be 6 of my favourite sports stars, and they will be talking about their life in sport, what they have done, and we're going to use that as a bit of inspiration for you guys when you either return back to school or when you're at home, to motivate you to do some more home learning. There'll be short clips of them showing what they did when they were doing their sport, and then talking about some of the stuff that makes them become a fantastic sports person. This hopefully will inspire you and maybe make you work harder and get some dreams about maybe what you want to do as you get older. Gemma Gibbons is a women's judo player. In 2012, I took myself and my family to see lots of different sports at the 2012 Olympics in London. I had heard of judo and I knew what it was. It's a sort of martial arts wrestling, but I'd never actually seen it. And so we went along to watch the judo. We happened to be there at this time when Gemma was actually fighting in the judo. The atmosphere in the Excel Centre in London was incredible. Everyone was cheering, shouting, cheering Gemma's name. And we watched her. I learned loads about Nippon and different things that they do and throws. And also Gemma was a brilliant role model for girls. Lots of girls sometimes think, you know, what sort of sports can I do? Well, combat sports such as judo, karate is a brilliant sport for girls to get involved in. Gemma is a fantastic role model for that. Let's watch her story.
5 minutes, there was still no score, so it actually went into something called golden score.
Is this Gemma Gibbons' moment? Golden
score, it's first score, as small as it is, as big as it is. As soon as that score's scored, that person wins. I don't think I ever imagined that I would be in a semi-final and win and be on my way to an Olympic final. I'd imagined it since a young age. I try not to think of my mum on competition days because obviously it's something that makes me feel sad. But after I got through to the Olympic final, I was just overcome with different emotions, and it was something that just came out that I said, I love you, Mum. When my mum died, I realised just how much your parents do for you, and I just wanted to say thank you and I love you.
Hi everyone at the Albert Pye and Ravensmere schools. I just wanted to say that obviously we're going through a little bit of a tricky time at the moment, but regardless of that, it's really important that we keep trying our best in every area of our life that we care about. We keep giving our best. A couple of months before the London Olympic Games in 2012, I had probably the biggest low of my competitive career when I failed to get selected at the weight category that I'd been aiming to get selected at for, well, as long as I can remember. And it was a really low time for me, but I knew I just had to keep training as hard as I could, keep putting all my effort in, and actually a couple of months later at the London 2012 Olympic Games, although it was at a weight category above the one I'd originally wanted to go at, I actually ended up winning an Olympic medal. So yeah, keep sticking in there, keep trying your best, and we will all get through this together.
In Gemma's clip for us that she kindly did, she talks about doing your best. And doing your best, when things are really good and you're winning or you're doing really well, doing your best seems really easy. Doing your best when things are really tough is quite hard. You know, it's quite easy to do your best and win, but actually we should be doing our best even if we don't win. Maybe if we come second or we don't come anywhere in a place at all. In Gemma's story, we heard that some sad news, but when she was younger, her mum died. And when she won her Olympic silver medal, yeah, she looked up to the sky and said, I love you, Mum, yeah. So she was always in her thoughts doing her best for not just for her, but also for her mum who had supported her through her early career.